So today we'll be solving string 2 xyzMiddle on codingbat.com. The question reads, given a string, does xyz appear in the middle of the string? To define middle, we'll say that the number of chars to the left and the right of xyz must differ by at most 1. This problem is harder than it looks. So basically what this problem is that it's trying to see if xyz is in the middle of the string str. So to start off this problem, we're going to look for all the cases where this problem is false. In order to do that, first of all, obviously, if str.length is less than 3, then it would automatically return false because xyz itself is, the length is 3. And after that, we're going to create 2 new int variables, and you can name it whatever you want. And in this case, I'll name it int start1 and int start2. And the first one, which is int start1, is going to be str.length divided by 2 minus 2, and int start2 is going to be str.length divided by 2 minus 1. And I'm going to explain what this does in a bit. And now we're going to go into our if statement. So if str.length mod 2 equals 0, this means that the length is even. And then you want to return str.substring start1 comma start 1 plus 3 dot equals xyz, or str.substring start2 comma start plus 3 dot equals xyz. Okay, this is kind of long, so I'm gonna put this half on another line. And so now what this does is that if str.substring start1 comma start1 plus 3 equals xyz, that means this is gonna automatically return true. Or if str.substring start2 comma start 2 plus 3, my bad, equals xyz, it's also gonna return true. And now we're gonna create our final if statement, return str.substring return str.substring start 2 comma start 2 plus 3 dot equals xyz. And all of it is correct.